What is good, y'all? What's up? What's up?
God.
What is up? Cito is eating Galaxy's food right now. Come. This is Cito. I love you, CD. Anyways, this video is my what I eat in a day video, and I'm eating completely vegan in this video. I just wanted to say that I'm not eating vegan because it's a trend, because I don't ride trends at all. I'm not a trend rider, I'm a trendsetter, okay? No, but for real, I'm not eating vegan because it's trendy. I didn't just buy this stuff for this video like some people do. Yeah, I'm not that person. I'm literally eating vegan for my health because of my migraines. So you'll see this video first, and then you'll see a migraine update video after this, so stay tuned for that. That video is a little more serious because I am talking about like my actual health and my migraines and how they started and stuff like that. So wanted to say that. And so this video is literally what I eat. This video is not anything homemade. It's kind of like these things that I ate are what I usually eat, and then Michael does make me homemade yummy food, all vegan, during the week also. It just happens to be that I eat what I eat most of the time because it's easy. My food doesn't take long, but I'm tired after work, and so I'm just like obsessed with these TV dinners and stuff, so that's just kind of like what I eat. I'll probably make another video of what I eat in a day, but like all homemade, like homemade breakfast, homemade lunch, and homemade dinner, and show you guys that, like the homemade side. But this is kind of like what I eat in the day fast, like with the kind of like quickness, and like you don't really want to cook. If you don't want to cook, this is like perfect. But I'll do another one where we cook. Isn't that right, CD? Say hi to your fans. But yeah, so that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions at all, please feel free to comment them below. I shop at Winco mainly, and there's literally a tiny section at a Winco where I get my noodles that are not noodles. I mean, they're noodles, but they're vegan, and they're like just plant-based noodles. That is in the grocery, like the vegetable aisle, in a refrigerated section near the vegetable aisle, and that's where like the tofu, the Vegenaise, and all of that is. So once you find like the tofu, you should find these little bags. I don't eat those. I ate them so much in the last month that I am actually not wanting to eat any more noodles. So you probably won't see those for a while, unless you check like my Insta and stuff like that. So but everything else I got is in the freezer section near like Pot Pies and like the Marie Callender stuff. So go check those out. So my brand, you can see, I don't know how to say the other one, but it's Amy's. So they have them in Fred Meyer's also, and then they have them in Winco. I'm not sure where else they have them because and they have them in Target. But Target is way more expensive, and so is Fred Meyer. So I would suggest going to Fred Meyer and Target when they have the 2 for $7, because they're $4 each. At Winco, well, 3 something at Winco, so they're like $3.60 something. So for the 2 for $7, you save like 10 cents almost. So if you want to do that, you can go do that and shop at those stores, but Winco is my way to go. So yeah, we're gonna get on to the video. So bye. Good morning. Anyways, I'm about to show you some breakfast. Okay, so we're about to have oatmeal, but I actually learned a couple things. The oatmeal I'm gonna eat is vegan because the oats, like all oats are vegan, obviously because they're oats. But I learned that this is vegan because it's 100% just oats. But this is not because it has like extra stuff in it in the packet. Did you guys know that? I didn't know that. I didn't know that. So we're about to have some oats. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. Okay, you get your fork or a spoon. You get your bowl. You get your oats, your oaty oats, and you're just gonna, you know, however much you want. I'm not a big breakfast person, so I literally don't put any in there. Like, there's only like, it's only a little bit. So we put that away. This is how much is in my bowl. Literally like nothing. Then we put water in it. Put it in the microwave, obviously. Yikes. Michael's still sleeping. Oops. You heat it up. Then when it's done, and it looks like baby food, I add peanut butter. And then I add a little bit of sugar. I basically just put the peanut butter on my fork. And I lay it on top of my oatmeal because I'm just going to mix it in a second. Y'all, we got 4 jars of peanut butter. What the heck? And then I am going to put a little bit of sugar on it because I need some. So, bam. And then you mix it up. Oh, you got to add some milk. Don't drink normal milk because one, I'm lactose. So I have, what do I have? I think I have like soy milk or something like that. I don't know if I'll add milk to this actually, but you can add oat milk, almond milk, things like that. Oh, and every time I have breakfast, I have coffee. I normally make myself decaf coffee, but I had coffee left over from yesterday. So this is a toffee nut iced latte with soy milk. Bomb. And so I normally just drink coffee together. I swung that into my oven shield. But that's my breakfast. Sometimes if we go out to breakfast, I will have anything that's vegan there. Yeah. Welcome back. All right, so as you know, I'm doing a what? Okay, anyways, I couldn't say what I was trying to say. What the heck? Okay, as you know, I'm doing a what I eat in a day video. Why is that so hard to say? Why? I don't know. But what I eat in a day video, and I'm doing it all day. So it's today, right now, and we're having lunch. We're having a TV dinner for lunch, and it's red curry, super bomb, Amy's brand. I got this at Winco, $4, and this is what it looks like. It's vegan certified, it's gluten-free, dairy-free, and vegan certified. So we're gonna put a slit in it, and we're gonna cook it in the microwave. 2, 3, 4. And I'll see you when it's done. Bye. This looks so good, and I cannot wait to eat it. But lunch is down, dinner to go.
That's how I got him. My mom didn't think he was going to grow out of his puppy stage. Remember when Snickers bag? Yeah. My mom was heartbroken.
What up? I'll have some cucumbers or zucchini, and I'll just eat this twice a day if I'm feeling up for a snack. Sometimes I don't have anything to like eat in between, but sometimes I'm starving, so that's what I do for my snacks. Guys, I got for dinner, we got a vegan supreme pizza. So good. This is literally my favorite pizza ever. I can literally enjoy it without ever being sick. So yeah, check it out. I don't even know how to say it, but it's bomb, it's great, and I'm about to show you what it looks like.
Wait 6 weeks. Before the 6 weeks were over, fucking Snickers died. Even with my mom, you know, because she's heartbroken over Snickers.
So I really hope you liked this video. Like I said in the intro, these are like super easy meals that I can just pop in and eat and go, and things like that. Even my snacks are easy all day. So they're really easy, simple. These are my faster meals because I am starving half the time. My body's still getting used to not eating like fat, huge like fast food and like things like that. So I'm starving, so I just literally pop those in, eat, and I'm actually good after those. It's just like the initial time I'm like hungry, like I need to eat. So but like I said in the intro, we'll do another one where Michael actually cooks me everything. Also shout out to him. Like without him I would be going crazy because I don't know, I get overwhelmed a lot, and me trying to figure out how to cook all of my homemade vegan like stuff is like intense. So also make sure you check out my vlog. I posted everything that I bought this last week. I literally showed you side by side and like what I got, so make sure you check out the vlog for that. And I do go shopping every week. We go shopping weekly, so I make sure I vlog my trip to see if I get different things and stuff. Usually not, because I'm still learning, but it's definitely a learning curve and experience. So like I said, if you have any questions, make sure you let me know. Comment below, hit me up on Instagram at @HeyHaley with 2 E's at the end of Haley. And yeah, let me know. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay cute, stay bomb, stay good, stay hood. I don't know what I'm saying, but all right, peace out. Love you, bye.